Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through downtown Kingston. We are actually driving on South Camp Road and we are going to talk about four mega developments taking place on South Camp Road. Now the first one is this massive building we're looking at on the left. This is Palace Tower. It's going to be 12 floors, commercial. It's going to be a commercial building in downtown Kingston. And this is one of three mega buildings going up downtown. You have K2, which is a 10-floor building, which is a residential building. And you have a 10-floor building going up by Bank of Jamaica, which is going to be a commercial building, but it will be just for the Bank of Jamaica operations. So this building is about 8 floors now, and they're going up to 12, so they're more than halfway. It should finish sometime next year. Now, the second mega development taking place on South Camp Road is PriceSmart constructing their fourth store in Jamaica. And they are expanding their operations in Jamaica. And not only will they be building a club, but they will be building an office complex as well. And then the third mega development is Great Wall Motors, one of the largest electric vehicle makers in the world, is setting up their head office on South Camp Road. They'll have a showroom, a service bay, and administrative offices. And the fourth mega development on South Camp Road is the government is going to be expanding this road to 4 lanes. If you notice, the sidewalks are very big on either side. That's because this road was always designed to be 4 lanes. So the walls of the buildings were put far in so that when the time came to expand the road, it wouldn't be a problem. So they are going to be building a 4-lane dual carriageway. Now on the right there, that's where PriceSmart is building their club and office complex. And it's going to be one of the larger PriceSmart clubs in Jamaica. They're also building, well, they have one in Kingston on Red Hills Road. That was their first club. Then they did their second club in Portmore, and then they are currently building their third club in Montego Bay by Anshore, and they're building this one at the same time on South Camp Road. And this club on South Camp Road is to open by the end of 2026. Now, on the left we're coming up to Sabina Park. This is it on the left, and this is the largest cricket grounds in Jamaica. It was already built. We're just talking about developments under construction today, but it's worth noting it's like a cricket stadium, and South Camp Road has a lot of schools on it. This is actually one of the schools on the right, and the Sabina Park on the left. So upgrading this road is very important because with the Palace Towers, 12 floors, PriceSmart, those two structures alone are going to bring a lot more traffic to this road, to this area. All right, now as we continue our journey, coming up on the left, you're going to see 2 construction sites. One I think is Jetor, not 100% sure, and then the one beside it is Great Wall Motors. So on the left here, that first building, where you see the Jetor sign, I think Jetor is building a facility there. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. But Jetor recently opened a facility up by Mary Brown's Corner. Now on the left here, this is where Great Wall Motors, or GWM, is building their facility. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. And on the left is the Suzuki dealership, and then we're going to pass the Mercedes-Benz dealership. These buildings are already finished. And as we cross over the light, we're going to go on to Camp Road. Now Camp Road is famous because of Up Park Camp, the largest military base in Jamaica, probably the English-speaking Caribbean. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.